different kind of video for you today. I'm so excited because I have partnered with FabFitFun for this video, and I'm going to give you my impression of their winter box. I am so excited to be partnering with them today. I cannot wait to see all the goodies in the winter box. Okay, so I just opened the box. It's so cute. Look at how cute. It's pink and winter themed. These boxes are perfect for discovering new brands because there's all different brands, all different types of items in the box. It is customizable, although this has not been customized by me. I can't wait to see the surprises that are in here. These boxes have a value of over $200 and they are just $49.99. As you're watching this video, I have a code that you can go over and order one of these boxes for yourself and get $10 off. So instead of $49.99, you'll be paying $39.99 for one of these incredible boxes that have over $200 worth of stuff. And what I absolutely love about FabFitFun, and I just did not even hesitate when they asked me to partner with them, is that this company is female founded and it supports several incredible causes. And most of the items in this box are female-founded companies, the brands that you'll find in this box. So I'm excited to jump right in. Let's see what this box has in it. So we get the Winter 2019 FabFitFun catalog / magazine, and I can't wait to look through this to see what they're all about. Looks like they got some yummy recipes in there. You know what this is? This is a little sample of this purple mattress. Have you guys seen this? What a great idea. This is like a sample of how the mattress feels. Oh my gosh. That is heavenly. Well, that's pretty cool how they do that, because I always wondered what those felt like. That is so soft. So you get some coupons and stuff. Now for the good stuff. Let's jump right in. Oh my goodness. Just look at this box. I mean, this thing is huge and it's jam-packed. It's so heavy. I can't believe you can get this for $49.99 and you guys can get it for $39.99. Okay, let's see the first thing. This is an instant brush cleaner and it is by Vera Mona, looks like. It instantly removes makeup from brushes. You know who would love this is my sister Bree. She loves makeup. So next in here I see a little white box. What it is, it's Baddington lashes. Look at that. That is so fancy. It says, if all else fails, bat your lashes. So here's their information. I think my sister Bree would know more about this kind of stuff too. Okay, so the next thing I see is this scented candle. Now this is totally up my alley. Let's see what this is about. I'm gonna smell it in just a minute, but this is by Jonathan Adler, and it's a Fleur de Sel scented candle. It looks fancy, you guys. Oh, look at how nice that is. It's just very, very neutral. This clean white, it's perfect for winter. That smells so good. So this is the scent Fleur de Sel. I don't know how to say that. But there it is. And this smells so nice. I would love to burn this. Oh my gosh, that smells so nice. Your house would just smell so clean and really cozy. And it's so luxurious. I just absolutely love this. Okay, so this is called Prep Rally, and it is a prime and prep detangler. Oh my goodness, that is awesome. And as you can see here, it's dry bar, and look at the color. It's like a champagne pink. So that's a great item. I'll definitely be keeping that for myself. This is a Bando brand item, and it's a Bluetooth shower speaker. Are you kidding me? Let's open this up and see what it looks like. A port. It's got a USB cord, and it goes in your shower. This is so amazing. So that is a Bando Bluetooth shower speaker. This says Beauty Bakery. Proof is in the pudding. Eyeshadow palette. Oh my goodness. It looks like it's got some like natural colors. Look how cute that theme is. Oh my gosh. These colors are my exact color palette that I love to use. So we have rice pudding, chia pudding, bread pudding, butterscotch, spiced caramel, mango pudding, nana pudding, warm cocoa, and almond jelly. This is the most beautiful eyeshadow palette I have ever owned in my entire life. This looks amazing. So proof is in the pudding. This is one of my favorite items so far in this box. This is a makeup eraser, and it says erase all makeup with just water. So let's see what this is all about. Oh, it's like a little cloth to erase your makeup. So then this is so you can reuse this, and it's better for the environment. I love the pink color, and it's the original pink. Let's see. Here's the directions. And then look, here's all the info. They do have Instagram makeup eraser. That's a really cool product. I really like that a lot. I love this. So here's the brand. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. But this is Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. This is my kind of product. I absolutely love this. And this one is Lavender Oil. Let's see. I'm going to smell it. Oh yeah, that smells so good. It doesn't smell too florally. It smells really calming and subtle. So I absolutely love this, and I'm going to go put it in my bathroom right after this video. So the high quality products that this thing has is incredible for the amount of money that this costs. So I'm so glad that I received this box, and I can't wait to start using all the products in here. So remember that I have my code LYRIC10 for $10 off. You can go over. I'll link everything below in my description box for the winter box, and I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. All the links will be in the description, and don't forget the coupon code. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! And the stars up above are smiling.